How impressive were you today with your team's performance?
Really, and I have all season. We were disappointed against Met on Monday, but the games pre and also today now we've been really, really good. I still think we're probably a couple of points off where we should be, but I was so pleased just with the desire and the endeavour and the work rate and the willingness to run and compete. They showed an abundance. We lacked a little bit of quality on times. Okay, when we could have, on the transition, we could have been a little bit better. But TNS do put you under pressure. They counter press really well. So, it's not easy. But, I'm really proud of the lads today.
Callum, it's a point against the champions, but could it have been more?
Yeah, it could have been more, definitely. We've had a couple of chances in the first half. We've had a couple of chances from set pieces, and we've got to be a little bit more ruthless. I think that's our Achilles heel at the moment. But yeah, pleased with the point.
And taking into consideration the first half, you had a couple of chances, like you say, you need to be more ruthless.
Yeah, definitely. I think going forward, if we want to be that team that makes the top six, that's obviously our goal. We have to put chances away. And obviously it helps keeping clean sheets, so I'm happy that we did that today as well.
Chris, happy with the point?
No, of course not. Tell you what, it was different from last week, wasn't it? But at Colwyn Bay. But look, of course we're happy. We want to win every game. We've done well down here historically, so trying to win every game as usual. And it's not quite clicking at the moment, but we'll just work hard to put it right.
What was your assessment over overall performance today?
Overall performance, I think we had the territory, we had the possession again that we spoke about. These teams are organised. There's good coaches. I think the chances have probably come from us being sloppy on it or making wrong decisions. And look, we need to put it right. There's no point feeling sorry for ourselves. I'm sure, well, looking back, apart from the season that we went unbeaten, I think there's a patch in every season where you don't quite click for a couple of weeks, and obviously a lot more is going to be made of that now after Europe.